All right, hey guys, I'm Jeremy and I'm the ARC delegate for CCSOC this year, and we're back with our CompClub and workshops team. So, why don't you guys introduce yourselves?
Yeah, sure. So I'm Michael. I'm the workshops director for 2020, and I'm a second year computer science student.
Awesome.
I'm Liv. I'm one of the co-director for CompClub and I'm studying computer science third year.
And I'm Tim. I'm in my fourth year of mechatronic engineering computer science, and I'm the other co-director for CompClub.
Awesome. So, could you guys please tell us a little bit about what each of your teams does? We'll start with Michael.
Sure. So I run workshops on content you wouldn't really see inside most university courses, such as how to use different text editors, how to use Git and sweet stuff like that.
Awesome. And CompClub?
Yep, and CompClub's a little bit different from workshops. So what we do is we're an outreach program for high school students. We teach and develop student skills on technical and coding. Do you want to give some examples, team?
Yeah, sure. So some of our most popular workshops include cybersecurity and introductory level programs using C and Python. We also have a couple other things using web development and also game development. And we often run these in our really popular summer workshops, which run over 5 days in the summer school holidays. We also have like a shorter version we run in the winter school holidays during the term 2 and 3 break as well.
And yeah, as a previous CompClub director, I definitely rate the portfolio.
Yes.
But yeah, for people watching this video right now who are looking to join the teams, what can people kind of expect as part of a team member, and like what kind of responsibilities would they be having?
Sure. So we're always looking for ideas and what workshops to run. And if you're really passionate about a particular topic, you can always reach out to me to potentially run your own workshop.
Yeah, in CompClub?
So yeah, if you were to join CompClub as a mentor or as a volunteer, be looking at basically like sharing your knowledge and sharing your wisdom on different things to do with coding and computing with a bunch of high school students who may never have seen that sort of topic before. And you're just trying to get them interested in the world of computing, basically.
Mm-hmm. So as a past mentor myself, what I like to is that we bring like so much enthusiasm and we learn so much as a mentor. So it's not just as a student, but as a mentor, you learn so much more and so much other different things from uni.
Yeah, so that's about it for today. Thanks so much for your time, guys. If you guys are interested in participating in any of these workshops, helping out, definitely give workshops in CompClub a try. Catch you later.